While drama surrounds many celebrities, Flavour of Africa's family life is a model of harmony and love. Recently, Flavour celebrated his daughter's birthday with baby mama and former beauty queen, Anna Banner. Their joyous celebration showcased a united and loving family bond. Unlike the constant boss bows in the news, especially around stars like DAVIDO, Flavour's household is a haven of peace. His dedication to his 3 daughters and his adopted son from Liberia is truly inspiring. Flavour's commitment goes beyond birthdays. His Instagram is filled with moments of him adoring and supporting his kids, proving that his love is unconditional and ever-present. Flavour's ability to maintain a drama-free relationship with his baby mamas, including Sandra Okagbu and Anna Banner, is rare in the entertainment industry. His peaceful co-parenting is a testament to his character and values. Despite the complexities of his blended family, Flavour has created an environment of respect and love. His kids are thriving, surrounded by positive energy and strong family bonds. Beyond his music career, Flavour's greatest hit might just be his successful parenting. His dedication to his family is clear in every smile and hug shared with his children. Seeing Flavour in his element, celebrating milestones and being present for his kids, offers a refreshing contrast to the controversies that often make headlines. Flavour's story is a beautiful reminder that love and harmony at home create a foundation for happiness and success. His family life is as vibrant and joyful as his music. Want more inspiring stories from your favorite stars? Subscribe and stay tuned to Serene TV for more uplifting content.